Okay, students, today we are going to revise the chapter 7, that is Mineral and Energy Resources of Geography, part 2nd. So let's start the chapter with the title name, that is Mineral and Energy Resources. What do you understand by resources? Resources means everything available in our environment which satisfy our need are resources. And what do we understand by mineral? Mineral, as we all know, that mineral is a natural substance. The definition here is given in the box. A mineral is a natural substance of organic and inorganic origin. What do you understand by organic origin? Organic origin or the organic minerals are those which are made up of organic matter of buried animals or plants. The examples are mineral fuels like coal, petroleum are organic minerals. Let's talk about the inorganic minerals. Inorganic minerals are those which are inorganic in nature of origin, like mica, limestone, graphite. These are all are included in the inorganic origin minerals. Minerals having a definite chemical and physical properties. So what we discussed, the mica, limestone, graphite, these are having a definite chemical and physical properties. Next thing that India is endowed with, India is endowed means India is furnished with rich variety of mineral resources. हमारे जो mineral resources है वो कैसे हैं? Rich variety mineral resources are there, and valuable mineral resources are the product of pre-Paleozoic age. Pre-Paleozoic age was the age of 541 million years ago. जो age period था इससे पहले का, before the 541 million year ago age, that was pre-Paleozoic age. So our valuable minerals जो है वो किस समय बने थे? Pre-Paleozoic age के resultant है. Now as we all know that the mineral resources provides the country with a necessary base of industrial development. So industrial development, for industrial development, या फिर हम ऐसे बोले कि minerals are very important for industry. Why so? Because many mineral based industries are depend for their raw material on minerals. Minerals are the raw material of mineral based industry. Mineral based industry क्या raw material है. Okay students. Okay. Okay, students, now let's talk about some of the characteristics of minerals. Characteristics of minerals, when we look at the characteristics, we all know that the distribution of minerals over the earth's surface is uneven. They are not equally distributed on the earth's surface. So that is the first characteristic. Second one, there is an inverse relationship. Inverse relationship kya hai? What do you understand by inverse relationship? This one is given here. That is, there is inverse relationship between minerals and its quantity. अब ये क्या है? What do you understand by this? इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप का यहाँ पे क्या मतलब है कि अगर जो गुड क्वालिटी मिनरल्स हैं दे आर लेस इन क्वांटिटी. एकदम ऑपोजिट रिलेशन है. जो गुड क्वालिटी मिनरल्स हैं उनकी क्वांटिटी क्या है? बहुत कम. जो क्वालिटी जिनकी लो है वो लार्ज क्वांटिटीज के अंदर हमें मिल रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि मिनरल्स आर, there is an inverse relationship between the quantity and quality of minerals. Now next thing, that minerals are exhaustible. Exhaustible means, what do you understand by exhaustible? Means depleted. So mineral depleted with the time period. तो ये भी एक characteristic है. तो next let's talk about the types of mineral. That types, so basically the minerals are of two types, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals are those which are rich in metals. The examples are copper, iron ore, copper, bauxite, gold. ये सारे metallic minerals हैं. अब metallic minerals are also further classified into ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals are those which contain iron, and non-ferrous are those which does not contain iron. So ferrous minerals are rich in iron content and they are important source of iron. And the example is iron, manganese. Non-ferrous minerals are those which do not have iron content and have high proportion of other metal. And the examples are copper, bauxite. Okay. Now let's talk about the non-metallic minerals. So non-metallic minerals are those which do not have metallic contents and are classified into two groups. The first one, that is fuel minerals. The next one, that is other non-metallic minerals. So fuel minerals are those minerals which are organic matter। तो ये organic matter से जो बने वो तो आपके फ्यूल मिनरल है, और नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल्स जो है वो इनऑर्गेनिक इन ओरिजिन है। तो इसके आपके एग्जांपल देखिए, लाइमस्टोन, माइका, ग्रेफाइट। so these are the example। Now let's talk about the distribution of minerals। These are some of the agencies which are involved in the exploration of minerals। तो explore करने के लिए तो पहले तो कौन सर्वे करता है कि भाई मिनरल्स जो है वो कितनी क्वांटिटी में है, यहाँ कौन सा इस रॉक्स में which mineral is present in these rocks, in how much, how many quantity। So this is done by the Geological Survey of India, GSI, and these are some of the agencies which involved in the exploration or the extraction of mineral, that is Oil India Limited, Natural Gas Commission, ONGC, Mineral Exploration Corporation, NMDC, HCL, NALCO, that is National Aluminium Company Limited. So these are some of the agencies working in different states। Now students, the next thing, that is distribution of mineral, and we all know that most of the metallic minerals, if I'm talking about the metallic mineral, most of the metallic minerals in India occur in the peninsular plateau। Peninsular plateau, that is southern India। The peninsula is the land which is bounded from its three sides from water। So it is metallic minerals are occurs in the peninsular plateau of the um, peninsular plateau of India, and that is the region of old crystalline rock। That is the region of old crystalline rock। Crystalline rocks are those which are composed of crystals, that are composed of crystals। Crystals means atom molecules का क्या है, proper arrangements है। Now the next thing, that 97% of the coal reserve in India, 97% of the coal reserve, if I'm talking about the coal reserve, 97% of the coal reserves of India is in the river valleys of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi, Godavari। तो यहाँ पे आपका 97% coal reserve एक इतनी जगह पे है। Now you can think about the uneven distribution of the uh, minerals। इसके अलावा if I am talking about the petroleum reserves, then petroleum reserves are found in Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai High। Mumbai High, Assam and Gujarat। असम, गुजरात एंड मुंबई है। मुंबई हाई जो है वो ऑफशोर रीजन है, जो आपका अरेबियन सी ऑफशोर रीजन, दैट इज लोकेटेड एट अ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द कोस्ट। एट अ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द कोस्ट, कोस्ट पे नहीं होके थोड़ा सा क्या है, ओशियन के अंदर है, सी में। कौन सा सी, दैट इज अरेबियन सी। नेक्स्ट थिंग विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, दैट yes, new reserves of petroleum are found। तो sometimes पूछ लेते हैं कि where the new reserves of petroleum are found in India। so new reserves of the petroleum are found in Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri basins। so this is all about the some of the uneven distribution of mineral। Now let's talk about some belts where the minerals are concentrated। Belt means a region or a area where minerals are found। so the first one, that is the northeastern plateau region। Plateau region, plateau means, what do you understand by plateau? Plateau is somewhat elevated land surface, elevated, that is at a height, plain at a lower height। Plateau is somewhat in between the height of mountain and plains। ठीक है, और माउंटेन जो एपेक्स पे होते हैं। सो दिस बेल्ट कवर्स द छोटा नागपुर, दैट इज उड़ीसा, झारखंड, उड़ीसा प्लेट्यू, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़। So important minerals which are found in Chota Nagpur plateau are iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite, mica। तो ये इतना जो है मिनरल्स जो है आपके यहाँ पे मिलते हैं। तो ऐसा है, इसमें क्वेश्चन भी दिया है, इनबिल्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट फाइंड आउट द स्पेसिफिक रीजन वेयर these minerals are being extracted। so there are various specific regions like Jharia, Raniganj, West Bokaro, Karanpura। so there are lots of regions where these minerals are being extracted in the northeastern plateau region। Okay, now the next one, that is the southwestern plateau region। so southwestern plateau region, let's first talk about the extension of the southwest plateau region। so this belt extends over Karnataka, Goa, contiguous Tamil Nadu, uplands and Kerala। so यहाँ पे ये आपका southwestern plateau region है। so ferrous metal and bauxite are concentrated here with high grade iron ore। high grade iron ore कौन सा है? so there are lots of varieties of iron, basically four varieties are there, and hematite and magnetite types of iron are regarded as the high grade iron. High grade iron आपका कौन सा है? Hematite and magnetite. Manganese limestone are also found here and coal deposits are also there. लेकिन आपका जो नेवेली है जो तमिलनाडु में, वहां पे कौन सा कोल मिलता है? आपका लिग्नाइट कोल मिलता है। हेमेटाइट मैग्नेटाइट नहीं मिलके कौन सा कोल मिलता है? लिग्नाइट कोल मिलता है। If I am talking about the Kerala, that also lie in the southwestern plateau region, so there the monazite and thorium are found. Goa is an iron ore deposit. Goa में कौन किसका deposit है? Iron ore deposit. The next region dealing with the minerals is the northwestern region. Northwestern region are the region which extends along Aravalli. Aravalli, that is the oldest mountain range in the world, and Aravalli mountain range in Rajasthan. As we all know that minerals are extracted in the Aravalli mountain range, and parts of Gujarat and minerals are associated with the Dharwad system of rock. Dharwad system of rocks में कौन सी rocks है? Metamorphic and sedimentary rocks are there. We all know about the igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. So Dharwad rock system जो है आपका metamorphic और sedimentary rock के related जो system है rocks का, that is. So the major minerals which are found in these regions are copper, zinc, and Rajasthan is very rich in building stones. Building stone कौन से हैं? The raw materials, the stones which are used in construction of buildings. That is sandstone, granite, marble. So these all are building stones. ये कौन से stones हैं? Building stones है. Granite, marble देखिए, the best example is ताज महल. तो ताज महल का जितना भी marble जो use हुआ है, that is from the नागौर, मकराना का marble use हुआ है. तो राजस्थान इज रिच इन बिल्डिंग स्टोन्स। तो आपको स्पेशली इसमें ध्यान रखने पड़ेंगे भी कौन सा स्टेट किससे एसोसिएटेड है। नाउ जिप्सम एंड फुलर्स आल्सो, जिप्सम है और इसके अंदर आपके अदर भी जो डिपॉजिट्स हैं। Now there is one question. Gujarat is known for its petroleum deposit. We already discussed Assam, Gujarat, and Mumbai High is best known for its petroleum deposit. Now next thing, that is why and where Dandi March was organized by Mahatma Gandhi. First I want to say that salt is also a mineral. Salt क्या है? वो भी एक mineral है। तो अब दांडी मार्च आपका जो हुआ था, दांडी मार्च means march to Dandi. Dandi is a place in Gujarat and march towards it is Dandi March. So Dandi March जो है why and where. So first one, that is where. So on 12th March 1930 ये स्टार्ट हुआ था साबरमती आश्रम से। दांडी की एक यात्रा जो है या जर्नी जो है स्टार्ट की थी, किसने की थी? महात्मा गांधी। दैट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय महात्मा गांधी एंड जॉइंड बाय 78 वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. So what was the reason why it was organized? It was organized to break salt law. Actually Britishers that time, India was colony of Britishers, and that time Britishers जो है उन्होंने salt manufacturing पे क्या कर दिया? Restrictions लगा दिए कि भाई हर एक salt manufacture नहीं कर सकता, टैक्स लगा दिया उस पे। So to गांधी जी ने क्या किया कि उसको टैक्स के अगेंस्ट उन्होंने अपना ओपोजिशन शो करने के लिए उन्होंने सॉल्ट लॉ को ब्रेक किया। कहां जाके? दांडी जाके। And from where he started his journey, that was from Sabarmati Ashram. So this is about the minerals, some of the facts related to it. Now the next thing, that is northwestern part हमारा हो गया। The Himalayan belt is another mineral belt where copper, lead, zinc, cobalt, tungsten. So these are found in the Himalayan belt, Himalayan range. So these are all occur in the eastern and western part. Assam Valley is also very rich in Assam Valley, that is rich in what? Assam Valley is rich in mineral oil deposits. Mineral oil deposit, as we all know, that Assam, Gujarat, and Mumbai, that is famous for the petroleum deposit. Okay, and Mumbai coast, offshore area near Mumbai coast is Mumbai है। Offshore area मतलब मुंबई नाम जरूर दे ले, लेकिन ये कोस्ट पे, लैंड सरफेस पे नहीं होगी। ये किस पे है? अरेबियन सी पे। That is Mumbai high. So that is also rich in petroleum resources. Now the next thing, that are metallic minerals. So special pattern of some of the important metallic minerals are given in our NCERT book. We already discussed about the ferrous minerals, and what do you understand by ferrous minerals? ये हमने discuss पहले कर लिया है कि ferrous minerals are those minerals which contain iron, that having a iron content, that are ferrous minerals. So ferrous minerals जो है वो आपको किसको हेल्प करते हैं? मेटलर्जिकल इंडस्ट्रीज का स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है. Ferrous minerals provide strong base because ferrous minerals are used as a raw material in metallurgical industries. And what do you understand by metallurgical industries? The industries which are concerned with extraction, refining, alloying, and fabrication of metals. The industries which are concerned with the extracting, refining, alloying, and fabrication of metals are regarded as metallurgical industry. The first one, that is ferrous mineral, which is very important. This is base of our Indian economy, that is iron ore. And iron ore ke regarding, there are several things that India has the largest iron ore reserve in Asia. If I'm talking about the reserve of iron ore in India, then it has the largest reserve of iron ore in Asia. So to superior quality or high grade iron, that is I already discussed, first one is hematite and second one is magnetite. These both are found in India and that having a great demand in international market. In दोनों की international market में, because these are of superior quality, इनकी international market के अंदर बहुत demand है and these both are found in India. Okay, the iron ore mines are close, occurs in close proximity. Proximity means nearness. Proximity means nearness to the coal field. What is the reason behind it? Because there is a need of coal in these industries, iron and steel smelting industries. So these industries are found near to the coal fields. Now some of the distribution of the iron ore. So 95% of the total iron ore reserve in India, one of few Indian states. So these are Odisha, the first one, that is Odisha, and iron ore is found in the states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and there are some other districts where this iron ore is found. That is in Salem and Nilgiri district of the Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri district of the Tamil Nadu and other similar mining regions. And Goa is also emerged as the important iron ore producer. तो बहुत सारी ये जगह जो है, अब particularly तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए भी उड़ीसा में मिलता है, तो उड़ीसा में कहाँ कहाँ, तो उड़ीसा का ये देखिए, इन उड़ीसा ये देखिए सुंदरगढ़, मयूरभंज, झार. So these are the areas where iron ore is found in the उड़ीसा. तो ये हमें हर एक स्टेट्स के अंदर, हमें इसे डिटेल फॉर्म में पढ़ना है. केवल इतने से काम नहीं चलेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द 9th क्लास और 8th क्लास that iron ore is found in the Odisha and Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and all, because we have to explain the specific regions of these states. Now the next one, that is manganese. So manganese की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ तो manganese is an important raw material which is used in iron and steel industry. So iron और steel industry में iron ore को smelt करने के लिए और ferro alloys के manufacturing में manganese का there is a great demand of manganese. So manganese is especially concerned with, manganese is associated with the Dharwad system of rock. We already discussed about the Dharwad system of rock, that are metamorphic sedimentary rocks. Now, who is the leading producer of manganese? So Odisha is the leading manganese producer of India. Next one, that is, it is also found in Karnataka, Maharashtra. It is found in Madhya Pradesh. It is also found in Telangana, Goa, and Jharkhand. So Telangana, Goa, Jharkhand are the minor producer. Minor producer here means that these are found in a very less quantity here in Telangana, Goa, and Jharkhand. So हमें एक-एक state के areas learn होते हैं. If I am talking about the Madhya Pradesh, so manganese is found in a belt that extends through Balaghat, Chhindwara, Nimar, Mandla, Jhabua district. So these are the you can see Balaghat, Chhindwara, Nimar. So this is the belt of where the iron ore is extracted. Iron ore is extracted. तो ये हमें ध्यान होना चाहिए. Next one, that is non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals, if I'm talking about the non-ferrous minerals, then India is poorly endowed. It's poorly furnished, means non-ferrous minerals are found in India in a very less quantity. Okay. Now the first one, that is non-ferrous mineral. Non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which does not contain iron. So bauxite. So bauxite, if I'm talking about bauxite, so bauxite is used in the manufacturing of aluminium. Aluminium, as we all know nowadays, aluminium is a important mineral which is used in our home, industries, and at several places. So bauxite is required in the manufacturing of aluminium, and bauxite is found in the tertiary deposit and associated with laterite rocks and plateaus, hilly region of peninsular India. तो हमें सीधा इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पढ़ना है, एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देन उड़ीसा हेयर आल्सो लीड. उड़ीसा यहाँ पे भी फर्स्ट नंबर, जस्ट लाइक मैग्नीज. Odisha is the largest producer of manganese, and Odisha is also largest producer of bauxite. बॉक्साइट का भी लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है. इसमें देखिए कालाहांडी, संबलपुर, बोलांगीर, कोरापुट, ये कुछ एक एरियाज है जहां पे मिलता है. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉक्साइट फाउंड इन झारखंड, एंड इट इज इन झारखंड, इट इज फाउंड इन लोहार, डागा, झारखंड. It is also found in Bhavnagar and Jamnagar in Gujarat. It is found in Amarkantak Plateau of Chhattisgarh. It is found in Katni, Jabalpur. ठीक है, छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ये रहा छत्तीसगढ़, तो इट इज फाउंड इन अमरकंटक प्लेट्यू, कटनी, जबलपुर एरिया. दैट इज, अब देखिए ये कटनी जबलपुर एरिया दैट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ एमपी. बालाघाट, कटनी, जब तो आपको एक एक स्टेट का नेम एंड देयर आफ्टर द एरियाज ऑफ दैट स्टेट्स वेयर दैट पर्टिकुलर मिनरल इज फाउंड. The next one that is copper. Copper is a metal, as we all know, and it does not contain iron. So copper, it is a alloyable, malleable. Malleable का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you understand by malleable? Malleable मतलब हम उसे किसी भी shape, thin sheets के अंदर convert कर सकते हैं. Ductile मतलब, डक्टाइल का यहाँ पे मतलब है, आप देखते हैं कॉपर के वायर्स होते हैं, तो कॉपर के वायर्स क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि उसकी एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, वो डक्टाइल है, उसे किसी भी तरीके से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वायर के अंदर बना सकते हैं. एंड इट इज अ इनडिस्पेंसिबल material. Indispensable means it is very essential metal. It is very essential metal, and it is also mixed with gold. Gold के साथ भी, because as we all know that 24 कैरेट जो गोल्ड है वो बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट होता है, उससे ज्वेलरी नहीं बन सकती. तो ज्वेलरी जो बनती है उसको थोड़े से हार्डन करना पड़ता है गोल्ड को. So it is also mixed with gold in making of jewelry. So if I'm talking about the distribution of copper, then copper is found in the Jharkhand state, in the Singhbum district of Jharkhand state. It is also found in Madhya Pradesh, in the Balaghat district. If I'm Rajasthan की अगर बात करता हूँ तो राजस्थान में ये आपका झुंझुनू. Junjunu, we all are familiar. Junjunu is located in the Shekhawati region, and it is found in Junjunu. It is also found in Alwar district, and other which producer of the copper are अग्नि गुंडाला इन गुंटूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. गुंटूर के अंदर, जो आंध्र प्रदेश के अंदर है, अपना चित्रदुर्ग, दैट हसन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका, एंड साउथ अरकोट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ तमिलनाडु. So these are the areas where copper are found. Now the next one, that is non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals which does not contain iron, which does not contain metal. Metal नहीं होता है जिसके अंदर. Those are non-metallic mineral, and mica is the most important non-metallic mineral. Here the mica is the most important non-metallic mineral, and other which are found, other mineral non-metallic mineral which are found in India are limestone, dolomite, and phosphate. तो ये सारे जो है मिलते हैं, लेकिन ये सारे के सारे लेस क्वांटिटीज के अंदर मिलते हैं. इनकी क्वांटिटीज बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है और लोकल कंजप्शंस के लिए ही है. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माइका, तो mica is mostly used in electrical and electronic industries. It is very thin, split into thin, strong, and flexible sheets. So that if I am talking about the areas where the mica are found, then you can see Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, which is followed by Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. तो major producer, अब झारखंड के अंदर अगर बात करते हैं तो माइका का पूरा बेल्ट है. ये देख लीजिए हजारीबाग प्लेटू में. आंध्र प्रदेश के अंदर नेल्लोर डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है, दैट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग आ बेस्ट क्वालिटी माइका. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट द डेटा कि भाई कौन से स्टेट्स किस मिनरल के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज, इट इज आल्सो फाउंड इन राजस्थान. इट इज आल्सो फाउंड इन कर्नाटका, इन मैसूर एंड हसन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका. Other places also are there. It is also found in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, if I'm talking about Tamil Nadu, then it is found in Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai, and Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Or if I'm talking about Kerala, Kerala में माइका कहाँ मिलता है? Then it is found in Alleppey. And महाराष्ट्र में कहाँ है? तो रत्नागिरी. और वेस्ट बंगाल में कहाँ है? तो बंकुरा एंड पुरुलिया. So these are the places or the areas or the regions where the mica is found. The next thing, that is energy resources. So energy resources, एनर्जी रिसोर्स, एज वी ऑल नो दैट ऑल सेक्टर्स ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमी, ऑल सेक्टर्स, अगर मैं सभी सेक्टर की बात करता हूँ हमारी इकोनॉमी, तो एग्रीकल्चर मान लीजिए, इंडस्ट्री मान लीजिए, ट्रांसपोर्ट मान लीजिए, सभी को, ट्रांसपोर्ट में मैं व्हीकल की बात करता हूँ तो क्या उसको पेट्रोलियम नहीं चाहिए चलने के लिए, पेट्रोलियम उसे चाहिए चलने के लिए। तो सभी जितनी भी हमारे सेक्टर है, इंडस्ट्रीज है, उन्हें क्या चाहिए, एनर्जी रिसोर्स चाहिए जनरेशन के लिए, ठीक है। तो सभी सेक्टर्स को ये हमारा चाहिए होता है। एंड नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज mineral fuel like coal, petroleum, natural gas, nuclear energy mineral are used for generating power. So these are the minerals which are mineral fuels which are used for generating power. These all are known ferrous minerals reasons. जैसे देखिए copper, copper here denoted by the star symbol. You can see copper is found in the Khetri, and Khetri is located in Jujunu. Copper is found in the Alwar. It is found in the Bhilwara, Udaipur. This is Rajasthan. This is Madhya Pradesh, and in Madhya Pradesh it is found, bauxite is found in Katni, Amarkantak, and copper is found in Balaghat. So these are the areas denoted on the map. So you have to prepare this. Now the next thing, that is conventional energy resources. हम पढ़ रहे हैं conventional energy resources, those energy resources which are being used since a long time, एक long time period से जिस energy resources का use हो रहा है, that are conventional energy resources. और these conventional energy resources are exhaustible resources, exhaustible deplete हो जाएगी एक टाइम के बाद जो खत्म हो जाएगी. These are conventional exhaustible resources. So the first most important, that is coal. Coal, we all know that it is used in thermal power, thermal power where the electricity is produced by heat, and that heat is caused by coal. कोल से जिस हीट को बनाते हैं वो. और आयरन और के स्मेल्टिंग में भी कोल जो है वो यूज होता है, एंड दैट इज द ओनली रीजन दैट व्हाई iron and steel manufacturing industries are located near the coal fields, because there is a need of coal field as an energy resource in these industries. So if I'm talking about the coal type, because here also just like iron, there are four types of coal also. So 80% of the coal which is found in India is bituminous. So which quality is found in India? That is bituminous. ये bituminous type का coal जो है वो आपका इंडिया में मिलता है. और इट इज नॉन कोकिंग ग्रेड. इट इज नॉन कोकिंग ग्रेड मतलब क्या है कि इसकी जो क्वालिटी है वो बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. सो इन इंडिया कोल इज फाउंड इन टू रॉक्स के अंदर. ये देखिए गोंडवाना और टर्शियरी डिपॉजिट्स जो है ये रॉक टाइप्स है. दीज आर द रॉक टाइप्स ऑफ द रॉक सीक्वेंसेस. Gondwana and the tertiary deposits are the rock sequences. So Gondwana, Angara land, Eurasia, Panthalassa, Pangea, we all studied it कि जो हमारी geological structure है वो एक time period के बाद में आई है. तो ये इस तरीके से आपको इसको करना है. So coal is found in the Gondwana and the tertiary deposits. तो इसको लर्न भी करना पड़ेगा आपको, इसको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि गोंडवाना एंड कोल डिपोजिट्स जो हैं. तो अगर बात करता हूँ गोंडवाना लैंड के अंदर, तो गोंडवाना लैंड जो है आपका, दैट इज लोकेटेड इन द दामोदर वैली. दामोदर वैली दैट इज लोकेटेड इन द वेस्ट बंगाल झारखंड रीजन. झारिया, झारिया इज द लार्जेस्ट कोल फील्ड. ये आपको लर्न होना चाहिए. झारिया इज द लार्जेस्ट कोल फील्ड. सो झारिया is the largest coal field. Raniganj, that is the second largest coal field. Bokaro, Giridih, Karanpura are important Gondwana coal fields. तो ये सारे के सारे important Gondwana coal fields हैं. अगर मैं बात करता important coal mining center, if I'm talking about important coal mining center, because ये भी आपको learn करना पड़ेगा. तो if I'm talking about important coal mining center, then Singrauli is the important coal mining center in the state Madhya Pradesh. Korba is an important coal mining center in the state Chhattisgarh. Talcher and Rampur is the important coal mining center in the Odisha. Chanda, Vardhe, Kempty, Bandar is a important coal mining center in the Maharashtra. Singhareni in the Tamil Nadu, and Pendul in the Andhra Pradesh. ये आप देख सकते हैं. तो सिंगरानी कैनरीज टू माइनस रेस्क्यू, एक बार ये केस स्टडी दे रखी है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस symbol is somewhat denoting. Yes, 1 second. Yes, yes, students, we revised up to coal. कोल तक हमने रिवीजन कर लिया है. टर्शियरी कोल डिपॉजिट्स के, हाँ ये आपको बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना है कि गोंडवाना कोल डिप फील्ड्स कौन से हैं और टर्शियरी कोल फील्ड्स कौन से हैं. ये बिल्कुल आपको ध्यान में रखना है. तो रिमेनिंग रिवीजन जो हमारा है थोड़ा सा ही है, जो हम कर लेंगे कल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच.